Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of your Shopify store, creating a refund and return policy. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your existing policy, I'll show you two simple ways to create and manage your policy with Shopify's Dawn theme. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Shopify admin. In your admin dashboard, head to Settings, and under that, select Policies. Here, you'll see all the legal pages of your store, including the Refund and Return Policy section. Under the Refund and Return Policy section, Shopify provides a helpful policy generator. By using this tool, you can generate a basic refund and return policy in just a few minutes. Shopify's tool will automatically suggest text that aligns with common practices, so it's a great option if you're unsure about the details. Once the policy is generated, you can personalize it by adjusting the text to fit your specific store needs. This might include adding special conditions, such as whether you offer refunds for sale items or the timeframe for returns. The goal is to make your policy clear and easy to understand for your customers. Alternatively, you can create a new page for your refund and return policy. Simply go to Online Store, Pages, and click Add Page. Title it Refund and Return Policy, and in the content area, write your custom policy. If you prefer, you can also link to other related pages like shipping policy or terms and conditions. Once your policy is ready, you'll want to make it easily accessible to your customers. To do this, go to Online Store, Navigation, and choose Footer. Add a new link to your Refund and Return Policy page so it's available in the footer for easy navigation. After adding the policy and linking it to your footer, preview the page to ensure it looks good and the information is clear. Double-check all the details like the return time frame, refund conditions, and any restrictions you may have. Make sure it's easy for customers to find and understand. And there you go! You've successfully created your refund and return policy for your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.